winter, right? Fill the hole. Yes, you need the water come from rain because you making the hole. So hey Peter, come from Luke. Hey buddy, come from Peter. Where's Billy? Billy, where are you? Yeah, I need to go early or arrive in airport because you know the situation, Philippines situation, traffic. But this is no because driving from the skyway, so very fast. Ano na to? Nia na to? Oh yes, Nia, ready. Yes, for almost half hour na only, right? Half hour, yes, Peter. So now approaching now with here in the airport. Have a good day, Maria. Thank you, Luke. You too. Enjoy your day. Happy week. Yes, happy week because it's Tuesday. New Fortune. Ito pala yung New Fortune. Yung hotel, na? Ayun, Marriott. Ayun, look, check in at that hotel, Marriott. It's a nice hotel. Peter, how about you, Peter? When you will come here in the Philippines? You need to. Thank you, Luke. Stay safe, Luke. Regards to your asawa. Making a coffee, Maria. I'll be back. Okay, Peter. Oh, you want LDC, Peter? I will send it to you. LDC. If you want. Oh, okay. December, I'm coming. That's good, Luke. Together with your asawa, Luke. Makapagal Boulevard, Terminal 1 and 2. Entry niya. Ano tayo? 3? You only want me to help you. Yes, of course. Yes. Right, Peter. Look, the good. Mamaya hawakan mo to, ha? Pagbaba, ha? Tapos habang kukuha ko ng ano, ha? Yes, near now. Airport now, actually. Yes, of course. That's good. Also, your asawa taking vacation. Nice vacation, look. Cannot come alone from her. Oh, that's good. You take your vacation together with your asawa.
Balian ang babagay sa
Oh, yung luggage. Pag okay na yung lang 32, tapos message kita. Yung pag kailangan ko yung maleta, may message kita. Kasi yung maleta nga. How about your flight, look, connecting, or you will stay at least one day here in Manila? You know, before this skyway is still not working, it's so stress when you travel because it's so traffic. That is a hassle, so many hassle actually. This is Terminal 3. Yung Terminal 1 and 2 bago lang yun, di ba? Ito yung pinakaluma-luma. Stay one day. That's good. Look, at least going around here in Mega Mall or Trinoma. Malapit na yung dito yung Trinoma, no?
Doon pa yun ta, sa Quezon City.
Ano ba yung malapit ng ano dito? Ay, Trinoma, hindi. Dito sa may ano, sa may, ayun, Mall of Asia.